In this tutorial, we are going to learn about countdown using Python. So we first of all create our countdown.py. Then we start to import the time. Then we come on countdown that's equal to 10 seconds. Yeah. So while we use the while looping. So while countdown is greater than 0, therefore we're going to print time left time dot sleep. Wait 1 second. Countdown is minus or equal to 1. That's the decrement. We use the decrement. Therefore we print time is up. Let's run this code and see. It's running perfectly. So this is how we use Python to create countdown.